Hey guys, this is Mohammed Himas for SW's Trading Community. This is my first English video that I'm uploading on YouTube. A lot of people asked me to upload my videos, make my videos in English, so that's why I've decided to make a series in English, right? First of all, I wish to congratulate you all for your courage taking the first step to learn the forex trade, okay? Because most of the people decide to be financial free, but few of them take any action to actually be so, right? So whether you are a beginner or an advanced trader trying to find the consistently profitable method, this series will provide you with the one of the most powerful technique used by most of the professional traders and financial institutions too, right? This series is a result of my 3 to 4 years of experience, research, and hundreds hours of screen time, right? The strategies I teach are based on what I learned as a trader, as a professional trader for 3 to 4 years. I'm currently an independent trader, right? I work from the comfort of my home and I make a decent amount of profit. I'm not saying that I'm a millionaire trader, I'm a billionaire trader, I'm making billions of millions of dollars per day or monthly basis, right? I'm not telling you that. I'm a full-time forex trader making a decent amount of profit. I'm living. I'm living by the forex income, right? This is what I'm sharing with you. Okay? Using the same ideas and the same prospect which I'm gonna share with you in this video. You may be asking yourself, why do I share this knowledge that makes me a decent amount of profit? Okay, why should I reveal these secrets that makes me money? I've been asked this question a couple of times, and if I was in your shoes, definitely I would ask the same question to me. Right? Let me tell you something before we start the series. Trading is a total different business from any other business, right? If I show you my strategy of the way I'm trading and how I make money, it's not going to affect my trading results, right? Because when you start your trading the same way as I do, we will approximately take the same trades, right? And if we are a big community of traders who take the same trades, we will be able to move the market in our direction, right? Because this is the market moves. If the numbers of buyers is more than sellers, the market goes up, and if the numbers of sellers is more than buyers, the market goes down. Fact that I'm a big believer that everyone can become a profitable trader. You can become a successful trader if you have two important things, right? Number one, the right trading method, and number two is the right trading mindset. Okay, this series will provide you with the right trading method because I will show you how big boys trade the market, and you will understand how banks and financial institutions manipulate the market and trap retail traders. Okay, and you will study in detail and the principle of trading strategies, which which are mostly based on supply and demand. Okay, this trading method will give you the ability to identify the market turning points in advance before they happen, and where the price are going to go before they go there. And if you have this knowledge, you will take trades with low risk and high reward. That is the key element of success of a trader as a trader. Okay, knowing the when the banks and institutions are selling and buying in the market will increase your odds of success, right? If your trades will have the high probability to go in your favor, because you will not follow retail traders analysis but the footprints of banks and big institutions. Okay, the trading method is advanced, and if you are a beginner trader, you should have a basic knowledge of trading before taking this watching this series. Okay, this is the reason why I decided to start the entire series with the basic knowledge that everyone who wants to trade on the market needs to know, right? As a trader, beginner or advanced. Okay, you need to know how to read your chart, because the chart have specific language. If you don't know how to speak this language, you will not understand what the market is telling you. Okay, this is called Japanese candlestick. This is very basic, right? Yeah, it's very basic. The first basic skill that you should acquire as a trader is the ability to understand the candlestick formations, because they will give you information about the buyers and sellers state of mind and will help you to predict the future price movements. Okay, and the second base skill, sorry for my bad pronunciation sometime, because English is not my mother language, so just focus on the content, right? The second basic skill is the market structure. You need to know how to identify and differentiate between different types of markets, right? Such as trending market, ranging markets, and choppy markets. And you should be able to identify different types of moves, such as impulsive and retracement moves, right? You should be able to identify support and resistance, which are considered to be turning points in the market. Okay, these levels have psychological influence on sellers and buyers. Okay, because once again they are considered to be turning points. Okay, if you are an advanced trader, you can skip the basic lessons that covers the basic knowledge and start directly with our advanced concept, right? But if you are a beginner, I highly recommend you to pay attention to this lesson, to these basic lessons, right? And give yourself to time to learn all the technical concepts, because this will allow you to understand and master our advanced trading method. Okay, this is enough for this first introduction video, and I will see you in next video with the content, right? See you guys, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.